Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add reviews to Shopify store. Adding reviews to your Shopify store, it's super easy and simple. You just have to follow a few steps and you can easily do it. So first, you just have to simply open up your Shopify store. And after that, you have to get an app to add the reviews. So for that reason, on the left side, you can see apps. You have to click on add and then click on this option to go to Shopify store. Once you get there, you just have to simply search for reviews. Then you will see this app which is judge.me. Click onto it and then you have to install it. This is the best app to add the reviews, so just simply install it. Now there you will see this option for install. Click onto it and then it will just take a while into the installation. After that you will get to this page. Now you can check out language as per your preferences and also select the theme, then click on start, and then after that you have to click onto this option, which is that it will embed its app. Now it will just take a while into the loading, and after that it will take you to your product. There you have to make sure this option is turned on and you have to save it. If it is not turned on, then you have to turn it on and then save it. Then simply get back and click on continue. Then click on install review widget, and after that it will take you to your store once again. There you have to do the same thing, like you have to make sure that this option is added there. If so, then you have to save it. Once you see the reviews are there, these reviews are just an example, these are not your reviews. So once you get these reviews on your page, then you have to just simply click onto this save option, then get back and click on continue. Then you have to add the stars which are the review star. Click onto it. Once you see the star, then click on save. After that, once you get back, it will ask you if you want to add the logo or not. Then you can do it, otherwise click on next and just simply end it up. And now we have completely set this one. After that it is done, and if you have your reviews available that were previously you have received, or if you have it on another platform like Amazon, AliExpress, or maybe these platforms, you can just simply select from there and after that you can import it. Also, in request reviews, if you have sold a product to your customer and you did not get any review, so what you can do is you can request them to give you a review. There are different ways. You can just simply send them mail, you can do it through calling and different options, and by that you will request it, and if they want it they will give you review that will be on your website. So that's how you can add reviews to Shopify store. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates.